I am so happy to be here tonight to host this event with FOREO, and I think it's hard to be an innovator today in such a saturated market, but they are killing it.
What we brought into the market in 2018 and what you're really about to indulge yourself in experiencing is really one-of-a-kind device. The idea was to challenge the ordinary and really make it into something extraordinary. We're taking the 20 minutes of sheet mask to now 90 seconds.
I was blown away by the technology behind these. And it truly is a game changer, and I implore you to go and try it. It's mesmerizing.